Hey guys, as you've seen some of my last videos of looking for Hot Wheels, going to Walgreens, Walmart, things like places like that, I still have not found a treasure hunt, and I just cannot find them. I'm over here in the Treasure Valley by Boise, Idaho, and it appears everybody here collects. So I just have had no luck finding any treasure hunt at all. So, but along the way, I did find some really good cars that just are beautiful. I mean, they're not treasure hunts. You know, I'm sorry. I wish I had some to show you guys, but I'm going to show you what I have under the light here. You can see it a little better because you did see some of the video of these when I was in the store and I was talking real low because there's so many people in there and stuff. So what I'll do here is I'll go through and show you the ones that I have. Again, they're not treasure hunts, so I'm not claiming they are. This isn't clickbait. If you want to watch it, you know, if you're like me and you just enjoy Hot Wheels too, you know, then this video is for you. If you're just looking for treasure hunts, then I don't have any. So I've tried. Lord knows I've tried, you know. Looked and looked and looked. I just can't find any anywhere. So I don't know if the employees collect and they never end up on the shelves or whatever. But anyway, here we go. I'll show you what I got. I don't even know when I got this one, but here's a Tesla Model S. It's nice. I mean, even though, like I said, even though they're not treasure hunts, they're still beautiful Hot Wheels. And here's a Lamborghini. That's really sweet. I think this one, you can post in the comments below. I think this one is a treasure hunt with if it's a different color. I think that one of the Lamborghinis is a treasure hunt, but it's obviously not this one. I think is it a white one? If anybody knows, you can post in the comments below. This is one of the first ones I got. I mean, it's not worth anything, but it's so sweet, man. Custom 53 Cadillac. That is so sweet. It's such a nice looking car. Okay, grab some more here. Here we have a 2018 Ford Mustang GT. And again, I think this one also is a treasure hunt in a different color. And it might have rubber wheels on it, I think. But of course, that's just a regular one. And now here's a cool one. I got a few themed ones. Here's a Batman. Batman, the animated series. That is such a sweet looking car. Anything Batman, I think is good, you know, or themed. Kind of has a ding on the card there at the bottom, but that's another thing, guys. I just got back into Hot Wheels not too long ago. Does a big ding in the card? I know it probably does matter, but does that decrease the value on it? Do you know? Kind of like, because I collect a lot. I do have a lot of basketball cards, like sports cards, and definitely if there's a crease in it, you know, that turns down the value. But here's another. Oh no, this isn't Batman. This is a Lotus. Check that out. It's got the European license plate, it looks like, European style. That is so nice. Let's see what else we got here. Here is a 84 Audi. That's pretty cool. I'm going to show my age here, but in 84 I was 17. I just got my license basically in 84. It's such a cool looking car. Here's a really unique, well, not unique, but it kind of is unique. It's not rare or nothing. None of these are, but 70 Chevelle. Look at that paint job on it. That's a sick paint job. Sick, I mean good. I'm trying to be like the hip kids nowadays, you know. But anyway, that's pretty cool. here, the next one. This is a Nissan Fairlady Z. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Here I got 3 of these. I ended up getting 3 of these because I guess I just like them. You know, the Porsche 98 Spider. Convertible looks like. Yeah, nice. Really sweet looking. So I got three of those. 1, 2, 3. So we know those aren't rare. You can find them that plentiful. But nice looking cars nonetheless. Okay, what have we got here? This is a 68 Chevy Nova. That's pretty sweet. Golf. And that is the, I'm trying to be cool here. That's a D series. So I kind of figured that out by watching the other Hot Wheel Guru channels. You know, I think that's a D series, right? Back in the 70s when I collected Hot Wheels, there was no, I don't know if there was, I didn't ever look for what series they were in. I just wanted my mom to buy me a ton of them, you know. Wish I still had them. But that's really sweet. Look at that. Here we, oh, this is that. I know this thing's pretty much worthless. It's not, probably not even collectible, but it's really cool. It's that GoPro Hot Wheel where you can put a GoPro on it. That's pretty cool. I guess I noticed they have different colors too. I got the bluish black one here. I think there's a green one also. Okay, next we have, this is a Tesla Roadster with Starman in it. Really nice looking. I love that. It's like candy apple red. There's the Starman hanging out in there. Pretty sweet looking. Okay, this one here, I bought, this is like when I first started getting back into it. It just caught my eye. I know it's probably not popular, but it just caught my eye. It's this, what's it called? Oh, man, I don't even know what it's called. A wheelie chair. You know, I know it's not, it's just unique, you know. It's not a Hot Wheel per se, a car, but I don't know. I got 2 of them. I got that a month ago or something, 2 months ago. Ooh, here we go. Here's some more Batman stuff. Here's a sweet looking, that's really cool, the Batmobile. Nice. I love how it has the old logo from the 60s, I guess. That's the old one from Adam West days, I think. And this one here is Batman. It says Batman/Superman on it. It's a cop car, I guess. Yeah. That one's pretty cool. Pretty sweet. Okay, grab a few more of these over here. Oh, here we go. This is a motorcycle, actually. Ducati 1199 Panigale. I seen it and thought it was cool. Bought 2 of them, I believe. Yeah, I got another one here. Bought 2 of these. It's pretty nice. Really cool looking. Set those over there. Oh, here we go. Another Batman. Justice League Batmobile. It's pretty sweet looking. It's got like a machine gun type thing sitting in it or something. It's pretty nice. Let me flip this around here. That's pretty cool. And this one here I got Volkswagen Scirocco GT24. I like the lime green color. It's pretty nice. Then we got Corvette C7, was that a Z06? Yeah, Z06 convertible. That is really sweet looking. And then here's the most recent ones I got. You guys saw this in my last video, but I'll show it to you under the light here. It's the complete set, the complete Marvel set. That was the last one I needed for to complete the set, the Groot go-kart. Got that one. And then Captain Marvel says first appearance on it, so I don't know if that makes it worth anything. I don't think so, but probably sell that as a set. I noticed on eBay there was some people selling the sets. Here's the Hulk Classic. It's pretty nice looking. And the two more on the set is Iron Man. Here's Iron Man. Wonder if Robert Downey Jr. has any of these. Okay, let's see. Now we got Black Panther. So that's the Marvel set. Like I said, this one is, I think it's on my last video. I'm pretty sure it is. And here's a Thor wagon. Combat Medic. This thing's kind of heavy, so it's really solid. I mean, it's really cool. It's got a door in the back, I guess. It's pretty sweet. Anyway, that's the Hot Wheels that I have that I got, you know, as I was going to all the stores. I'm going to stop this video, and I've got some Matchbox and also some Dollar Tree. They have the Maisto. So if you want to hang out and watch that, you know, and I've got a couple of M2 machines that I showed you last time. But I'll go get those real quick. Okay, here's a Matchbox. Some of the Matchbox. I didn't get too many. I've only got like 5. I just grabbed these at Dollar Tree for $1. So pretty much all these were $1, except for the Marvel. I think there were 3 something. Here's the first Matchbox. That is the Blizzard Buster. I got it because it's unique. You know, it's pretty cool. Next we have Chowmobile, Roach Coach. It's pretty cool. And now, there goes a card corner. Oh well. Let's see. Next we have a 16 BMW. Real nice, real nice. Sharp looking car. Then I bought 2 of these. Actually, I got 2 of those BMWs. Look at that front, it's so sweet. Yeah, Matchbox is really good too. I remember those when I was a kid as well. Now I got 2 of these trucks here. Flatbed. I guess the back there, it tilts up. It tilts up like this, and then comes out. I've seen pictures of it where you can put a car on it and stuff. I thought it was pretty cool, so I went ahead and got it. Got 2 of them. Okay, here's a few more of the Maisto cars that I have. One thing about Maisto Fresh Metal is they don't have the name of the car. I didn't see it anyway on the package itself. It's on the bottom of the car here, so I believe that's a Porsche right there. So Maisto Fresh Metal is pretty cool. Not as popular as Hot Wheels, obviously, but oh, check this one out. It's a Roadster. Again, these are in videos that I did, but I just was in the store, and I just wanted to show you guys under the light what they look like. You can really see them better. This one here is pretty awesome too. Fantasy car. This one's pretty sweet. Upside See, it's right underneath here. Yeah. I wish they'd put the name of the actual car like they do on Matchbox, like right here or right there, but they don't. So here's another one, newer car. It's pretty cool. Silver color with a sunroof on it. Yeah, these are underrated in my opinion. These are really well made. Really well made. I mean, obviously Hot Wheels king, but these are really nice. This is like a Mustang here. Yeah. Really nice. This looks like, I think it's a Chevrolet here. I love the color of it. That blue. Really nice. I think I got two of those. Yeah, I did. Here's another one here. And then finally we got this little guy here. That's pretty cool too. Sunroof. Maisto Fresh Metal. Yeah, like I said in the videos before, if you guys are in Dollar Tree, check out their Maisto Fresh Metal cars. The ones that I was really looking for are I think they're 1/28 scale. They're in a box. And they're like haulers or something. No, haulers is M2 machines, but those are really popular too. And here's you guys saw this one too in my last video. I'll do a real close-up of it here. This is the M2 machine, Coca-Cola, 65 Ford Econoline delivery van. That's really nice. It says it's a special edition, or not special edition, but it's limited to 7,200 pieces, which is not really rare, but I can remember in Modesto, in California, at my grandma's house, her neighbor had a van just like that. This was in the mid-70s. Just exactly, of course it didn't say Coca-Cola on it, but it was brown, I believe. Okay, while you're checking that one out a little bit more, I'll grab one last M2 machine I got. And you guys saw this one in the video I did maybe 3 weeks ago. The 69 Plymouth. I just love that color. My dad had one of these. We had a Plymouth like this when I was a kid. It was root beer brown. I miss those days actually, but it's so cool that they bring these cars back. I just love that color too. It's hard top. That's really sweet. Anyway, that's what I've got so far. I just wanted to show you guys because I haven't been able to get out this week and do any arbitrage videos. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix in a lot more Hot Wheels on this channel as well. We'll still do retail arbitrage as well. But mainly I'm kind of getting into Hot Wheels pretty much. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and thanks to those who have subscribed. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.